Welcome terug, Graad 8s. Welcome back, Grade 8s. I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sums on the board, and I'm going to ask you some questions regarding it. Okay, let's look at the first one. Let's quickly see. Can you guys tell me where's the variable in this top algebraic expression? Kan julle vir my sê wie is die veranderlike in hierdie uitdrukking? Can you give me the variable? What is the variable in that expression? The letter of the alphabet.
7 plus 5.
The letter of the alphabet is X. Yes, that's the variable. So if I ask you the variable, it's going to be X. The coefficient, die coëffisiënt is die getalletjie wat vas is aan die letter van die alfabet. So the coefficient in that algebraic expression is going to be 7. So the coefficient is going to be 7. And now we're going to get the constant. I taught you that the constant is the one that's standing without anything attached to it. Die ouetjie wat alleen staan. Who's the constant there? 5. Very well. So I'm going to ask you this all the time in all the expressions. So let's go quickly through it. This is a binomial, a binoom, but hy twee terme. This one is can you remember? The one with 3 terms. Wat noem ons hom? Binomial is this one, 2 terms. 3 terms. What do we call that one? Trinomial. Yes. Okay, let's quickly see. What's the variable in this algebraic expression? Wat is die veranderlike hier? The letter of the alphabet. That's the variable. Give me the variable over here. X. Okay, let's go to the coefficient of x squared. What's the coefficient of x squared? 3. What's the coefficient of x? 2. And the constant?
7.
Don't forget the minus. Minus 7. Okay, because that minus 7 is attached to that 7. Moenie julle minusse vergeet voor die konstante nie. And this one is a monomial, een term, it's only one term. Okay, give me the 2 variables here.
X, Y.
X and Y, that's the 2 variables. The constant, is there a constant that's standing alone here? Without anything? Is there something there? No, so there's no constant. The coefficient of X and Y? 7. Let's go to this one. What's the variable in this expression? X. Good. And the coefficient that's attached to the x, if there's nothing standing in front, what is standing in front? No, the minus 5 is the constant. Isn't it? Minus 5 is standing alone. But the thing that's attached here, if there's nothing, will always be a 1. As daar niks voor die x vas is nie, dan is daar altyd 'n 1. Okay. Okay. What's attached to this x? The coefficient. Minus 1. Because there's nothing, and if there's nothing, there's always a 1. So die coëffisiënt van hierdie x is minus 1. And the constant? 6. Well done. What's the coefficient of this x? What's attached to this x? Be careful. It's a fraction. 3 on 2. So it's 3 on 2, and that's 1.5. That's the coefficient. The variable is x, and the constant is 4. Constant is 4. Well done. Will you be able to give me the variable, the coefficient, and the constant tomorrow? Okay, we're going to exercise it this evening. Go and practice it, all the learning with that I taught you grade 8s. Gaan leer al die leerwerkies and remember to recognize the variables, the coefficients, as well as the constants. The guys that's standing on its own. Thank you, grade 8s.